All right, guys, we back. 1965 Lincoln Continental project. She has the 430 cubic inch 7-liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Floor pans are solid. Paint has opportunity. Let's check her out. It'd be great for a father and son project. This is one of the most iconic classics ever built. And they usually go for upwards of 70 to 80,000. And a convertible top does work. Driver side floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. She has power windows, power locks, seats in good condition. She got an upper dash pad. Back seat. Let's start her up. Fire right up. Y'all make sure y'all go over and check out rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. It's running pretty smooth, guys. Excellent project. One of the most iconic classics ever built. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.